My name is Martin Goff and my company is MSG Meteorites. With eBay being such a global platform, it brings a huge amount of customers to me from all over the world. I got into meteorites through being interested in fossils. As a kid, I've always been interested in astronomy and science. One of the places that I bought fossils from had a meteorite for sale, and I was like, wow, you can actually buy a piece of outer space. So that got me started. I bought a very small piece of Campo del Cielo, which is one of the most common iron meteorites, and became sort of fascinated by them. Before setting up a website, before selling online independently, I sold through eBay, so it enabled me to have that global reach. It's all very well having a product that sells or an idea that works really well, but to be able to sell without setting up a website or a physical shop and to reach all those customers was, easy to do and easily worked for me. Financing has helped my business grow massively because eBay provides a lot of new customers to me. So lots of my sales are to new customers because of the reach that I get. That financing, especially when buying stock, has enabled me to then bring a whole raft of new customers on, which then means future business and repeat business. And that has meant the business is growing. I used the financing to buy equipment for a workshop initially, to buy diamond wire saw, which was quite a big investment. But most of the time after that, I used it to buy stock. With meteorites, they're only available from certain falls at certain times. And the financing was so quick and simple to set up that it enabled me to buy meteorites at that particular time. Whereas if I didn't have that financing, I wouldn't have been able to, and I would have missed the boat on that opportunity. eBay were paramount to me to be able to reach customers all over the world. There's no way I'd have been able to do that otherwise. Setting up the business and selling through eBay is really easy to do. If you can use a computer, you've got the skills to be able to list things on eBay.